The solar system. The Sun is the main captain of the solar system. Various planets, asteroids, satellites and comets revolve around him. The number 3 planet is our Earth. Where you sit and read the text now, you may be thinking, the world is too big. So many places. But Jupiter is a much larger planet than Earth. Jupiter is so big that it can hold 1,321 Earths. But the Sun is bigger than all. The Sun is not a planet, it is a star. As you can see the stars in the sky, so the Sun is a star. How big is the Sun? Scientists have found that it would take 1.3 million planets like Earth to cover the entire Sun. Some information: there are 8 planets in the solar system. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. In the order of distance from the Sun. Diamond suit. The Sun is a star. Like a big hot gas ball. It contains hydrogen and helium gas. The collision of these gases creates heat and light, which gives light and heat to our Earth. The closest planet to the Sun is Mercury. It has no atmosphere. The farthest planet is Neptune. The largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter and the smallest is Mercury. Diamond suit. Only on Earth do animals have a suitable environment to live. Nowhere else has any life been found so far. The Earth can rotate in its own way, that is, in its own orbit. At the same time it revolves around the Sun. It takes about 24 hours to orbit the Earth once in its own orbit. And this is what we call one day. It takes 365 days for the Sun to revolve once. We call this 1 year. The force that allows us to live, walk, and not fall off is the force of gravity. And because of this energy, the Earth and other planets are able to revolve around the Sun. There are some small inhabitants in the solar system, who revolve around the planet again. For example, our familiar moon Mama, it revolves around the Earth. The moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. Which is the unnatural satellite? The satellites we send into the sky are artificial satellites. We see the moon because the Sun shines on it. It takes 28 days and 6 hours for the moon to revolve around the Earth once. The Earth is about 151.4 million kilometers away from the Sun. It takes 6 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to reach the Earth. The Earth revolves in its own place. For this reason, the side of the Earth that is light now, becomes dark again on that side. That is why night and day. The main materials of the Earth are soil, stone, all these. There is nothing solid on Jupiter. Totally gas. Venus is very hot. Its temperature is 460 degrees Celsius. The coldest is Uranus. The temperature of this planet is about -220 degrees Celsius. Mars is also called the red planet because it looks red. The rocks of this planet look red. It is the closest planet to Earth. Saturn is the second largest planet. It is surrounded by rock ice and dust belts. This planet is also made of gas. The only satellite of our Earth is the Moon. But Jupiter has 69 satellites. Saturn has 72. The answer in one word: how many planets are there in the solar system? Answer: 8. What is the gas in the Sun? Answer: helium and hydrogen. From whom does the planet receive light and heat? Answer: from the Sun. Which planets are dry stars or evening stars? Answer: Venus. How many days after the new moon and full moon? Answer: after 29 or 30 days. How many years has Halley's Comet been seen? Answer: after 75 years. How much water and how much land in the world? Answer: 3 parts water and 1 part land. Even if the Earth is spinning, why don't we fall? Answer: because of gravity ball. What is the speed of rotation of the Earth in its position? Answer: diurnal motion. On what date is the longest day and the shortest night? Answer: the 21st of June. We have just tried to give the new generation a general idea about the solar system. If you want to get such videos daily, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.